All right, and good morning. We're starting off on this Tuesday morning. Mild, it's kind of muggy, and we are looking, unfortunately, for some severe weather potential tomorrow. Today, though, still a warm, muggy kind of day with those mostly cloudy skies, kind of like we saw yesterday that unfortunately obscured the eclipse for most of us. Looking at the outlook for tomorrow, this is really the biggest focus of our weather forecast for the next week or more. Will be the active weather day tomorrow. And you may notice something a little different from usual, and that's that level 4 out of 5 risk categories. So the highest you can get is level 5. And now we're seeing the North Shore and areas into Mississippi at level 4 for tomorrow. So we are anticipating some strong storms. Even the New Orleans area and a little bit farther south of the south shore of Lake Pontchartrain will be at level 3, and the risk drops a little bit as you get toward the coast. Don't get too hung up on exact lines and where they end or start. This could change a little bit, but the thinking clearly is that farther to the north across our area will be the higher risk for those modes of severe weather. And it includes tornadoes, it includes the threat of damaging wind gusts, and maybe even some large hail. And then we also could get a quick couple of inches of rain that might cause a bit of street flooding as well. Now we're looking at what we call kind of the map for the tornado outlook that includes this hatched area where you see these dashes, including New Orleans and north. That's going to be the area where unfortunately some strong tornadoes would be possible. So talking about EF2 or 3 possible for tomorrow. So I know you want to get into timing. I'll show you in a second. It looks more like first part of the day tomorrow. But very quickly, let's just get into what's happening now. We're at 72 in New Orleans. Most of us around 70 or lower 70s. And look how breezy it is. Today will be a breezy day, and part of today what we'll see is the moisture content in the atmosphere increasing, setting us up for some of those heavier downpours tomorrow. Now this is our current outlook for rain, our current satellite and radar. It's all happening to the north of us, but what we will see tomorrow is a big surge of energy and moisture from the southwest. We'll see a surface low develop, and then we will eventually see a cold front move through. All these things contributing to that severe threat for tomorrow. Today, though, 81 for the high, slight chance for a shower, mostly cloudy, warm and humid. Here's your planner for today. Not really much of a rain chance. Actually, it'll be happening mostly outside of our area today. And then tonight, lows will be near 70. It'll be breezy, and we might have a few showers toward dawn. Quickly with that rain forecast for tomorrow, you can see 1 to maybe 2 or 3 inches possible, especially the farther north you go. Now moving through today, here's your timing, here's your forecast if you want to glance at your screen and get a better idea for timing. Here we are by sunrise tomorrow, some showers, and then look at this complex of storms. I think the worst of the weather may be sometime from late morning to maybe lunchtime. I've paused it here at 10 a.m. Some rough storms moving through, but already by 1 and 2 p.m., most of that heavy rain is to our east. We might still be wrapping up with a few showers, but at least the system will be moving fast, and then we will be drying out after that for tomorrow evening and then into Thursday. Thankfully for festivals starting French Quarter Fest Thursday and then other things like the Strawberry Fest this weekend, it looks like beautiful cooler weather, but definitely stay aware tomorrow. Stay alert of the weather and have ways to get warnings. We'll have more coming up for you.